So now that we know how to open an image, let's now learn how to get information about a specific image. For example, we might need to get the size of an image. So we can get the size of an image by calling the property the size property. So now we have this coconut image. If we call the show, it's going to open that image. It's going to open that image, and this image is now inside the images. So there is no need to open it from the desktop as I explained earlier. Now let's remove or comment this out because we don't need to open this image for now. Let me just comment this out, and then I'm gonna, instead of calling the show, I'm gonna use the coconut image, and I need to change this to coconut because we are interested in the coconut image. Coconut.jpg, and then I'm gonna call the size, just the size. But this is not going to do anything because this is not a function, therefore we need to use the print in order to print the size of that image. So I'm going to use the print. And I am also going to here I'm going to use the print, and I'm going to also here add just a string, and I'm going to say size, just size, and then I'm going to give myself some space, and then here I'm going to say also format, here format, and then I'm going to pass the coconut image dot size inside that format. And now if I save and run, guess what? Let me run our Python script and see what's going to happen. As you can see, what happened is that here the size is displayed. But let me just clear my terminal because it doesn't look good. Let me run our script one more time. I'm going to say here run Python file in terminal one more time, and as you can see here it says size is 640 by 426. Let's verify if that is true or not. So we have the coconut image, this coconut. Let me right click and then get info to get the size. So the size is 640 by 426, and Python printed out here 640 by 426, so it's true. So we now know how to get the size of an image. But there are also other useful things that we can get other than the size. We can also get the image format. We can also get the mode. Let's try these two. So here I'm gonna copy this line of code, and I'm gonna paste it here and here, and I'm gonna get also the format. Let's get the image format, and to get the image format you just need to call the format property, format, and also we can get the mode. I'm gonna say mode here, and you can get the mode by calling the mode property. Now if I save and run our script, it should print out these three properties. As you can see, we have the size, we have the format, which is very important. The format is JPEG, and the mode is RGB. So now we know how to get information, probably the most important information about an image, the size, the format, and the mode.